Falguni Peacock.
And this is Shane Peacock, and we are really excited to be showing at Lakmé Fashion Week.
The journey of finding your voice through fashion is one of the most enthralling experiences. Right from the start, we pushed ourselves to be the most authentic versions of our craft through our collection.
Earthbound, our newest collection, explores a color palette so contemporary that it bridges the gap between yesteryear classics and interdimensional looks of the future. This collaboration with Lakmé and Explore More as a concept has truly inspired us to raise the bar when it comes to our art and our creative expressions.
While the metallic shades of the Absolute Explore eye pencil form the visual world for the collection's aesthetic, the highly pigmented hues set the tone for the bold colors seen throughout the collection.
The dual colors of the Absolute Explore liquid eyeshadow duos dial up the drama with two gorgeous shades, paving the way for more of everything. More drama, more edge, more glamour.
Our collection truly resonates with the core idea of the range. Explore more of you for you. The collection features edgy silhouettes, futuristic cutouts, and elements that are quintessential to Falguni Shane Peacock aesthetic.
The emotional connect of this collection becomes more surreal with a subtle push of Explore More. We are ecstatic to see you dive headfirst into this experience we are creating with Lakmé.